Hi everyone, in my today's video tutorial I am going to show you how you can fix the call not received problem in your device Google Pixel 7 Pro. So if in this device Google Pixel 7 Pro you are facing any problem like you are unable to receive the calls, you can easily fix it by following the few steps as I will show you in my this video tutorial. Watch complete video, follow all the steps and you will learn about it.